clean our phone with tissue paper and alcohol. Okay, YouTube, I am G-Shop channel, YouTube, okay? Don't ever say that this video is not mine. This is my video, YouTube. Alcohol, tissue paper, and the phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. You have to put alcohol in tissue paper and wipe it on the phone like this. It's already done cleaning. This one, not yet. This one has to remove from the case, okay? Another one is tablet. We should take care of our phones like this using alcohol because our hands has a lot of germs and bacteria, so we should do this type of cleaning. These are all my phones that I cleaned. I'm already done, so this is working. All of these are working, okay? That this is the phone I use for when I do live stream and when I attended live stream, supported live stream, okay? So these are all working. This is my new phone. That is my new phone. And the other one, that. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you so much guys. Bye.